Hello everyone, welcome to you all for the today's session. I hope you are waiting for the session. I am KK Sukla, Master Teacher of Mathematics from Pankaj Global Public School Chopra. Till now, we have to solve exercise 1.1, question number 1, 2 and 3. Today, we will solve question 4 and 5 of exercise 1.1 of class 10th. So, let's see the question. First question number 4 is use Euclid's division lemma so that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So we have to solve this question by Euclid division lemma. Before solving the question, I want to just clear the what is Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma for given integers a and b, there exist a unique integers q and r satisfying the relation. What is the relation? A equal to bq plus r, where r the value of r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. We all know that here a means dividend, b means divisor, q means quotient and r means remainder. So with the help of Euclid division lemma, we have to solve this question number 4. Let's see the solution. What is solution? Use Euclid division lemma so that the square of any positive integer. Square of any positive integers means first of all we take a, b a positive integer and b will be equal to 3 because we have to prove that the square of any positive integer is of the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So here we take b equal to 3. Now let us assume a be a positive integers, a be a positive integer and b equal to 3 and b equal to 3 by Euclid's division lemma, we know that a equal to bq plus r. Here r is 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. The value of remainder is always less than divisor. Now but here b equal to 3. Therefore, a equal to, at the place of b we substitute 3q plus r. Here the value of r is 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 3. This is question number first. Therefore, the value of remainder is 0, 1, 2. Means less than 3. Therefore the possible values of are 0, 1, 2 and 2. Now substitute the value of r in equation number 1. If case first, if r is equal to 0. If r equal to 0, then from equation 1, a equal to 3q plus 0. No need to write the 0. Then a equal to 3q. Now, in question is that square of any positive integers. Square means on squaring of both sides. On squaring of both sides. Squaring up both sides, we get a square equal to 3q whole square. 3q whole square means 9q square. Now a square equal to 9q square, we can write 3 into 3q square. Now a square equal to 3 into m, where m equal to 3q square, because we know that q is integer, then we replace 3q. 3q is also integer, 3q square is also integer, therefore we have to replace this integer by m. M is equal to 3q square. Again, case 2, a equal to, putting r equal to 1. R equal to 1. Now you substitute r equal to 1 in this equation, then a will be equal to 3q plus 1. Squaring up both sides, and squaring, we get a square. If a equal to 3q plus 1, then a square will be equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. 3q plus 1 whole square. We know that a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, we have to find the square of 3q plus 1 whole square. Therefore, a square is equal to 3q whole square, 9q square plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into ab. Therefore, 3 to the 6 into q, 6q. Now we can arrange it, then we get a square equal to 9q square and 6q square. Take together 9q square plus 6q plus 1. In first two terms, 3q is common, then a square is equal to 3q common. Only you take 3 common, 3 as a common, then it will be 3 3 is 9, 3q square plus 3 is common, then 3 2 is 6, 2q plus 1. Now q is integer, then we can replace 3q square plus 2q by integer m. Therefore, a square equal to 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3q square plus 2q. Now case 3, if you take r equal to 2. Case 3rd, if r is equal to 2, then from equation 1, a will be equal to 3q plus 2. And squaring up both sides, a square will be equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. 3q plus 2 whole square. In the same way, a plus b whole square. Therefore, it will be 9q square plus 2 square 4 plus 3 2 is 6 2 is 12 plus 12q. Now here we can write it, a square equal to, after arranging, it will be 9q square plus 12q plus 4. 4 we can write 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Now here in this 3 is common. If you take 3 as a common, then it will be 3q square plus 3 4 is 12, 4q plus 1 in bracket plus 1. Now it will be a square will be equal to 3 into this 3q square plus 4q plus 1 replaced by m, 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So this is the first part. Hence you can see here, this is our first part, a square equal to 3m. If r equal to 0, if r equal to 1, then a square equal to 3m plus 1. If r equal to 2, then again a square is equal to 3m plus 1. Hence, we can say that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Hence, you can write here. Hence, any positive integer, or we can write here. Hence, any positive integer, the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Hence proved. It is